Dear children, in our last period, I have read for you, right? Let me try to understand. Um, this is Vipul's family. There are 4 members in Vipul's family. Okay. Here it's written there are some members who do not eat what Vipul eats. Do you think these people do not eat or cannot eat what Vipul eats? Why should this happen, right? So actually, according to age, we have to eat different kind of food, right? See, if very younger kids or very old people, they cannot eat same things that we can eat right now, right? So let's see. While returning from home from school, Vipul bought a भुट्टा. तो जब विपुल घर पे आ रहा था तब स्कूल से तब वो एक भुट्टा लेके आया. वो घर पे पहुंचता है और उसकी मम्मा को पूछता है कि भाई मुन्नी कहाँ गई? आई वॉन्ट टू सी हर. हिज मदर रिप्लाइड मुन्नी इज इन द रूम अपस्टेयर्स. कि मुन्नी ऊपर रूम में है. Then Vipul caught his grandmother's hand and said, "You also come upstairs with me." विपुल अपनी दादी का हाथ पकड़ता है और कहता है कि आप भी मेरे साथ ऊपर चलो. His mother stopped him. "I've soaked Bas chapati in dal. Let her first have her meal." Okay. विपुल की जो माँ है वो उसको रोक लेती है और बोलती है कि मैंने अभी बा के लिए रोटी दाल में भिगोई है, तो उनको पहले अपना खाना खा लेने दो. Have you put sugar in the dal? said दादी to Vipul's mother. तो दादी विपुल की माँ से क्या पूछती है कि तूने दाल में शुगर डाली, चीनी डाली? I've tasted the dal. It has been prepared well, replied Vipul's mother. तो विपुल की माँ बोलती है कि मैंने दाल को टेस्ट किया है, वो अच्छे से बनी है. Vipul picked up his grandmother's plate and ran upstairs. He asked her to follow him quickly. तो विपुल क्या करता है, उसकी जो माँ की प्लेट, ग्रैंड माँ की प्लेट है मतलब दादी की, वो लेके ऊपर भागता है और ग्रैंड माँ को भी बोलता है कि आप जल्दी से ऊपर आओ. When I was of your age, I could run up a hill in the same time, said दादी. तो दादी बोलती है कि जब मैं तेरी एज की थी, मतलब तेरे जितनी थी, तब मैं भी इतना जल्दी से कहाँ पे पहुंच जाती थी? हिल पे. ठीक है. विपुल गिव द भुट्टा ही वॉज ईटिंग टू हिज मामी. तो जो विपुल जो भुट्टा खा रहा था वो उसने अपनी मामी को दिया. वॉश्ड हिज हैंड्स एंड लिफ्टेड लिटिल मुन्नी. फिर उसने अपने हाथ धोए और जो छोटी सी मुन्नी है उसको उठा लिया. Suddenly Munni started crying. She is hungry, said Mami. जैसे विपुल ने उठाया एकदम से वो रोने लगती है. तो मामी बोलती है कि she is hungry. Okay. And she sat down to feed मुन्नी. Okay, तो वो नीचे बैठ जाती है मुन्नी को फीड कराने. Fine. Think and write. Why was Dadi not able to climb the stairs quickly? Okay, can you answer me? Yes, why? Because Dadi was old and weak. Yes. How does Dadi like to have her dal? So, actually, Dadi likes sweet dal, it seems, right? So, Dadi likes to have sweet dal with the roti that already soaked in dal. Okay. Which kind of dal do you like? I'll see, this answer I'm writing for myself. If you don't write this same answer, it's okay. Whatever type of dal you like, that you can write. I like sour and sweet dal. Okay, जो खट्टी मीठी दाल हम चावल के साथ खाते, as we are Gujaratis, we are used to having this kind of dal, right? Okay. How many person in the story can eat bhutta easily and why? See, there are total 4 persons, okay. But I guess 3 persons that can eat bhutta easily, okay. Can all people eat bhutta? Why? जो बूढ़े लोग होते हैं वो भुट्टा खाते तो नहीं. Why? Because their teeth become weak in old age, right? For 4 months, Munni will have only her mother's milk. That is her only food. Why? See, Chutki, sorry, it's Munni. Munni is only 4 months old baby, right? Having no other food, and actually she's not having teeth, right? So for small babies, her mother's milk is only nutritious for her, so she has to take her mother milk as her food, as it is having so many nutrients. Okay, ask and write. See what they can eat, what they cannot eat. Okay, small child, rice and dal he can eat, then oats can be eaten. Now butta they can't eat. Why? It's so hard, right? For their teeth to chew. Same as sugarcane. Young means young like your parents, right? They can eat anything that is edible to eat. They can eat everything. Fine. What about the old people? Again, they are small. They are similar like small kids. Small kids are having all weak teeth, and same way olders are having weak teeth. Okay, so they can eat rice, dal, curry, oats, but what they cannot eat is butta, then hard dried fruits. Actually, we are eating dry fruits, but whichever the hardest, that old people cannot eat. Okay, so this was about things that we can or cannot eat. Do we eat all the things that we can eat? Not always. Okay, let's talk about those things that we do eat. That put circle on the things that you like to eat often most. Suppose rice, wheat, gram, maize. Right? We like these ingredients to eat. Now,